are you?
See more smoke. Smoke detector. The more smoke I see, the more noise I make. And I see more smoke coming from that toaster.
Oh, my God. Thanks for warning us, Seymour.
That's my job. I hate smoke. It's disgusting. It gives me a headache. So whenever I see it or smell it, I make this noise to warn you.
Recent studies have proven that a mother's voice is more effective than a fire alarm for young children. Really, wouldn't it work for all of us? Well, this idea has prompted me to create Mama Jingbao, the smartphone app that uses your mother's voice to warn you before you encounter more common dangers.
哎呦，乖乖，今晚有台风，不要出门哦。妈妈爱你。
Mama Jingbao also utilizes your smartphone's features and monitors your usage to prevent terrible accidents.
哎呦，你准备不用美图就自拍的呀？你的脸根本没法看的，还想不想找男朋友了？
Mama Jingbao uses a very complex AI to simulate your mother's wisdom and even prevent disasters that you might be doing to yourself.
哎呀，这周你用饿了么都点了3次垃圾食品了，这些东西都不健康的呀。哎呦，我们是送你去学了钢琴，但那不代表以后你可以靠音乐挣钱，你又不可能有资格去参加中国新说唱的。别做梦了，赶紧学习去，这次的金融课考试还能不能过了？哎呦，你又要给那个神经病前任打电话呀？渣女对你又不好的，要是你感觉孤单寂寞冷，可以给妈妈打电话呀。
To shut off the alarm, you just need to repeat a simple phrase.
好了，妈妈，你没错。
行，妈妈，我现在就去学习。
听你的，妈妈。
Coming soon to the App Store, along with Huaba. Borrow money from an app that sounds like your father.
你要这钱干嘛？
Mama Jingbao. For when you need a mama, a bit longer than you should.